Hi and welcome to this information session, which has been created to assist personnel to better understand and carry out the most commonly used drill movements used by all members of the Australian Navy Cadets. Although the information to be given in this session is not intended to replace formal training, all of the drill you're about to see is in accordance with the ANC Dress, Grooming and Ceremonial Manual and can therefore be used as a very helpful knowledge resource. Before we start on the various drills, it would be prudent to explain the process for training parade drills. This can be broken down as follows. Demonstration. Instructor should name and demonstrate the drill to be taught. Note, the instructor's drill should always be conducted to a very high standard. Explanation. Explain the drill and if necessary, break it down to various parts. For example, the front salute. It can be broken down to two parts, the hand going up and the hand going back down again. This will normally be by numbers. Participation. Order the trainees to follow your instruction and example. Again, this can be broken down and the trainees can be directed and corrected as necessary. Examination. Finally, once the drill is to the instructor's satisfaction, the trainees can be put through their paces to confirm their understanding of the drill. In this information session, we'll be covering the following drills. Explanation marching cadence in quick, slow and double march. Quick march. Halt from quick march. Right and left turn on the quick march. Right and left incline on the quick march. About turn on the quick march. Slow march and halt from the slow march. Slow march from the quick march. Quick march from the slow march. We can now move on to the first drill item. Explanation marching cadence in quick, slow and double march. The cadence or pace of marching is as follows. The quick march is conducted at 116 paces per minute. The slow march is conducted at 65 paces per minute. And finally, the double march is run at 180 paces per minute. The quick march. The quick march is conducted from a person standing at the correct position of attention. At the order, squad, quick, march. The person steps off with an initial pace of 500 millimeters or 20 inches with the left foot until momentum is gained when the full marching pace is 750 millimeters or 30 inches. The foot should be carried straight to the front, placed firmly on the ground, heel first, with the knee straight. At the same time, the right arm is brought forward to the breast pocket height, and the left arm is brought smartly to the rear at the same height. The arms are kept straight, with the fingers of the hand clenched to form a fist, with the thumb forcing down on the index finger. The arms are then kept moving to the opposite side of the moving feet. The arms and legs continue to move forward with the body erect, head and eyes straight ahead. The precautionary order squad and the executive order halt are given on two consecutive beats of the right foot. Squad, halt! The next left foot completes a full marching pace and stops the forward movement. The right foot is brought smartly in line with the left without any stamping. As the body stops, the arms are brought smartly to the side at the attention position, thumbs in line of the seam of the pants. The body should not sway forward or backward once halted. The order right or left turn at the quick march. Whilst at the quick march, the order squad right or left turn can be given. The precautionary order of squad and the executive order right turn are given on two consecutive beats of the right foot. At the order right turn, a further pace is taken by the left foot to check the body's forward movement with the arm still swinging. The body is then turned 90 degrees to the right. At the same time, the arms are momentarily locked to the side. A full marching pace is then taken with the left foot in the new direction. The arms are swung as the left foot goes forward. The same procedure is to be adopted when turning left, except all the orders are given on two consecutive beats of the left foot. It should be noted that when turning a body of sailors, a precautionary order of interline right or left turn, or move to the right or left turn can also be given depending on the position the squad is in. For example, in line or in column. Common mistakes. Arm swung out to the side. The order right and left incline on the quick march. The precautionary order of squad move to the right and the executive order right incline are given on 2 consecutive beats of the right foot. At the order right incline, a further pace is taken by the left foot to check the body's forward movement with the arm still swinging. The body is then turned 45 degrees to the right. A full marching pace is then taken with the left foot in the new direction. The arms are swung as the left foot goes forward. The same procedure is to be adopted when turning left, except all orders are given on 2 consecutive beats of the left foot. The order about turn on the quick march. The precautionary order of the squad will turn about should be given to prepare the squad. The cautionary order of about and the executive order turn are given on 2 consecutive beats of the right foot. At the order turn, a further check pace is taken by the left foot to stop the body's forward movement with the arm still swinging. Each sailor turns about 180 degrees to the right, clockwise, on their own ground in 3 marked time paces, and the arms are locked into the side of the body. The next pace is a shortened 500mm or 20-inch pace with the left foot in the new direction, and the arms are then swung accordingly. Common mistakes. Movement to the left or right when marking time. The order slow march and halt from the slow march. At the order squad slow, march, the squad steps off with an initial pace of 500mm or 20 inches with the left foot until momentum is gained, when the full marching pace of 750mm or 30 inches is assumed. But in slow time, the cadence is 65 per minute. From the outset, the arms are locked into the sides. The toes should be pointing slightly downward and the head and body erect and looking to the front. Halting at the slow march. The precautionary order of squad and the executive order, halt, are given on 2 consecutive beats of the right foot. Squad, halt! A further check pace is taken with the left foot, and the right foot is brought up smartly to the left, assuming the correct position of attention.
Squad, halt, 1 down.
Common mistakes. Looking down whilst marching, moving the arms whilst marching. Slow march from the quick march. A squad advancing at the quick march and given the order slow, march. The precautionary order of squad slow and the executive order march is given on 2 consecutive beats of the right foot. The squad, on hearing the order march, breaks directly into the slow march. Quick march from the slow march. For this drill, a squad advancing at the slow march will receive the order quick march. The precautionary order of squad quick and the executive order march is given on 2 consecutive beats of the right foot. The squad, on hearing the order march, takes 2 further paces at the slow and then breaks into the quick. Nothing, nothing. This now completes this information session. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Staff Officer Watercraft and Firearms or Flotilla Support Officer FSO Victoria . Thanks for watching.